welcome to the Steve Jobs Theater. We've always believed that by giving people wonderful tools, you enable them to do wonderful things. At Apple, we put the customer at the center of everything that we do, with products and technologies that are designed in the service of humanity. Innovations that enrich people's lives to help them learn, create, work, play, share, and stay healthy. Through the deep integration of hardware, software, and services, these products empower people to do incredible things every day. We have a huge morning planned for you with some truly big announcements. So I'm going to So I'm going to dispense of my usual updates and get right into it, beginning with the App Store. We're adding a whole new way to enjoy games on the App Store with Apple Arcade. We've joined forces with the world's most innovative game developers to push the boundaries of what's possible. To tell you all about Apple Arcade, I'd like to invite Ann to the stage. Ann.
Thanks, Tim. We are thrilled to launch Apple Arcade on the App Store, the world's first game subscription service for mobile, desktop, and TV. We've added every month. Get personalized recommendations, watch game trailers, and get expert editorial content like game guides and sneak peeks. This collection of awesome games covers so many genres and play styles, so everyone in the family can count on finding games they love on Apple Arcade. We are really excited to show you a few today. First up are our partners at Konami, who have delighted players for decades. Their next game is sure to be a hit for the whole family. Please welcome Konami brand manager Benjamin Kinney to tell you more.
Thanks, Ann. Everybody loves Frogger. That's why together with Q Games, Konami could not be more excited to bring our title to Apple Arcade, Frogger and Toy Town. In this level, we find ourselves in a bathroom, and Frogger has to rescue some of his froglet friends. Like classic Frogger, there are many obstacles in the way. However, now you can find power-ups, like this bomb, that you can use to clear the path ahead of you. You'll also notice we're collecting jelly beans. That is a fun and important part of gameplay, but I'll tell you more about that here in a little while. So the physics are incredible. See how the blocks bob up and down in real time when you jump on them? And look, we rescued another froglet friend. You will have dozens of different outfits that you can put your Frogger in. Today, we have picked this adorable bathing suit. Isn't he cute? Whoa, what is that? Is that a giant baby wearing sunglasses? He is making a mess. Let's try to go around him. Now, you remember those jelly beans from earlier? Well, when you collect 100, you unlock Super Frogger. All right, enough of that. We've got the last Froglet to rescue. And we did it. Great job. Frogger and Toy Town will be available at launch. We cannot wait for you to play with your friends and family exclusively on Apple Arcade. Thank you.
Thanks, Benjamin. Frogger looks adorable. Next up is legendary game studio Capcom. Their new game brings console-quality graphics and gameplay to a whole new audience. To tell you more, please welcome Capcom producer Peter Fabiano.
Thanks, Ann. With Shinsekai Into the Depths, we set out to create a beautiful yet treacherous underwater world. The world above is covered in ice. You have no choice but to search the ocean below. This is humanity's last survivor. You'll notice gauges at the top that indicate air, health, and depth. You'll need to be thoughtful and careful as you traverse the new world. You can use thrusters to navigate or get to safety. While searching for resources, our explorer encounters a terrifying creature, which is why it's ever important that you maintain your oxygen levels. Lucky for us, our little drone is here to help us out. We crafted every... Shinsekai's controls are simple, yet mastering shooting while thrusting will challenge even the most seasoned gamers. The underwater physics and the creature's unpredictable attacks make battle both challenging and a blast. You'll have to find out what happens next by playing Shinsekai Into the Depths. We're bringing our brand of game design to a new, wider, global audience, both at home and on mobile. Available only on Apple Arcade. Thank you.
Wow, thanks, Peter. That was beautiful. Our last demo is from Annapurna Interactive, known for innovative games that break the mold. Their next game is truly one of a kind. To tell you more, please welcome Annapurna Interactive producer, Kelsey Hansen.
Thanks, Sam. We are teaming up with Simogo to bring their creative, ambitious new game to Apple Arcade. Sayonara Wild Hearts is a fast-paced, neon pop music dreamscape. We like to think of it as a playable music video. Let's jump in. You play as our heartbroken heroine as she races to win back her heart. In this level, our heroine is chasing after the stereo lovers. You'll seamlessly transition back and forth between rhythm-based tapping and high-speed racing. You as the player will never actually be moving the camera, but playing as the perspectives automatically change makes this game challenging and so much fun. The battle and storytelling are interwoven with the music, making sure you never miss a beat. To add to the excitement, collecting hearts will increase your rank. The more hearts you collect, the higher your score will be.